Hello guys, welcome to codingTpoint, and today we are going to make a login page using ternary operator. So let's get started. Open your notepad along with me. We will get the input from the user, so we have to import scanner. Now we can declare or create a class. Let's call it logging. Yeah, let's just call it, actually I have another one, so let's call it logging 2. Yeah, oh, logging pages, because I have another program called logging page already. So inside we write public static, as you know already, void main, and inside our void main string gonna get the input from the user. Let us declare one variable that we have scanner as data type. S is equal to new scanner. Remember, S should be in capital. Scanner system.in for us to get the input from the user. Now let us declare some variable like string name and integer password. System, let's get these values from the user. System.out.println will simply say enter your name. Let's say user. It's good to say user. Let's say user instead of name. Then user is equal to s.next. Just copy all this, then paste it down here, but this time will be enter. Okay, enter the username. It will be enter the password. But as the password is integer, we should put int here, and here it's pass. So as I told you, we are going to use ternary operator. If you don't know about ternary operator, you can visit our blog. I will just give you, wait, yeah, let me write it here. I will clear it. You just write, you go to www.codingTpoint.com, and when you go down, you're gonna find a link below. You just click inside and you write ternary operator. Ternary operator. There are some content there you can read about ternary operator. So we are going to use ternary operator here, saying string message is equal to user dot equals. Now we want the username to be admin only. If the user enters some other name, it should display another message like an error. So as you know, Java is a case sensitive letter. We should provide all the possibilities let's just copy and paste, but this time we put only a, yeah, or paste, but this time all will be in lowercase. Admin. If the username is equal to admin and pass is equal pass is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. We want the password to be only 1 2 3 4 5. If the password is equal to something else, we want an error message to be displayed. So if it's like this, the first expression should be the true part. So valid password and username. Otherwise, we want another message like incorrect username and invalid password. Now let us print the message. We just print the message, this message. If this condition is satisfied, this message will be displayed. If it's not satisfied, this part will be displayed. So let's just save our program. We put logging pages. So open your command prompt. We are going to run this program. Let me redirect my command prompt to my Java folder where I save all my Java programs. Now to compile, you just have to write java. Your program name is loggingpages.java. As you see, there is no error. Now I can run my program by writing java logging page. Enter username. If I write Kumar and the password I write 1 2 3 4 5, it's giving me incorrect username and invalid password. Why? Because these two conditions should be satisfied at the same time. But if, let me run it again, like I said, admin, password is 1 2 3 4 5, valid password and username. So thank you for watching this video. Just stay connected as there will be more videos. See you guys.